You guys know that I have a soft corner for Indian tech companies, right? And when Leaf reached out to me and asked me to review their Leaf Beast headphones, I couldn't resist that. Because they make good audio gears and they are Indian. And you know what guys, I wasn't expecting the quality of these headphones to be good. But boy oh boy, they surprised the hell out of me. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So this is the unboxing and review of this Leaf Beast wireless headphones. So guys, first let's unbox this. This is a box. By the way, the packaging is great. Some specs are mentioned over here. Whoa, this is good. Magnets, nice touch. Opening the box, first we got the small pouch here which contains an auxiliary cable, a micro USB cable, and some paperwork. Pause the screen if you wanna read it. Then finally we got the headphone itself. So guys, now let's move to the review part. So you guys might know that a wireless headphone should pass certain criteria to be a great wireless headphone. And what are those? First, design and build quality. Second, comfort. Third, sound quality. Fourth, battery life. And fifth, connectivity. So let's talk about them. Now as you see, it looks like a normal headphones, nothing too flashy, which is a really nice thing, and this matte black gives it a very premium look and feel. These are very well cushioned ear cups, fake leather but they are pretty smooth to touch, and they also contain left and right markings in them. Almost the whole headphone is built with plastic, but we do get this round metal plate with chamfered edges and Leaf logo. Looks pretty sleek. And of course on the left ear cup we got these 3 buttons to adjust the volume and skip the tracks. We have to use the first and third button, and the middle multifunction button is used to turn on or turn off, accept or reject calls, or put the earphone in the pairing mode. Then we got this LED light, micro USB charging port, 3.5mm auxiliary port, and a microphone hole. And this ear cup can also rotate 90 degrees, and they have 10 points of adjustment, so it can fit you according to your head. And the headband is also covered with the same fake leather with some amount of cushioning, and on the top of it, it has a Leaf branding. So overall build quality of these headphones are quite great, and they are quite aesthetically pleasing too. Awesome, right? So guys, now let's talk about the comfort, which is one of the most crucial part of any Bluetooth wireless headphones. So this is the over-the-ear headphone. Basically it can cover your entire ears. They are pretty comfortable to wear, but after around 1 hour of continuous usage it feels little bit uncomfortable due to the high clamping force. But as you know, this is the wireless headphone and it is made for running and working out. So it must have high clamping force, otherwise it will fall from your head. But Leaf should have included little bit more padding in the ear cup so it will become more comfortable to wear for longer usage. And there is no complaint in the headband, it is quite comfortable. Overall it is quite comfortable to wear, but not for longer sessions. Now guys, let's talk about the most important thing of any headphone, which is the sound quality. So let me first tell you that it has 40mm driver, which is normal, and the impedance is 32 ohms with the frequency response from 20Hz to 20 kHz. Basically it can produce very clean audio, especially the vocals. If you are listening lots and lots of podcasts, you will definitely love it. Talking about lows and highs, they are pretty balanced. I mean, you won't get a earth shattering bass from it, but instrument suppression is quite possible in this headphones, especially when you consider it is a wireless headphone. Matter of the fact is, it is very clear sounding headphones with less amount of bass. I mean, don't get me wrong, it has the bass, but it is not overpowering. But you can enjoy the songs very easily in this. By the way guys, it's been more than a week since I'm using these headphones, and I'm quite happy with the sound quality so far. And by the way guys, it has the microphone too, which you can use to take the call, and the call quality is quite good, but you have to talk little bit louder. So guys, now let's talk about the battery life of these headphones. Now let me straight up tell you that it is freaking impressive. Like literally, it takes around 3 hours to charge completely and it lasts forever. I mean, they claims that it has 30 hours of battery life, but in my testing period, it easily lasts more than 25 hours, which is an amazing thing in my opinion. And you know guys, if by chance you didn't get the time to charge it, you can still use it with the aux cable. Awesome, right? By the way, talking about the connectivity, it has Bluetooth 4.1, which is not the best. I get around 30 feet range, but walls do affect the connectivity a lot. But connection is very solid and stable in the connectivity range. So in terms of connectivity, it is kinda average. So in conclusion, I have to say they are great, especially if you consider the price. By the way, these headphones cost 2,900 rupees, and as you know, they are Indian. So for my subscriber, they gave a special coupon code. With that, you will get straight 20% discount on this amazing pair of Bluetooth headphones. Amazing, right? And the code is TBuffet20. And guys, I will give a link in the description box below from where you can purchase it. Basically, it is the official website of the Leaf from where you can purchase these headphones, and while you checking out, you can use that discount code and you will get 20% discount. And after this 20% discount, this earphone becomes one of the most value for money product to buy. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. I hope you did like this video. If you did, then hit that like button right now. And guys, if you love my content, hit that subscribe button right now, like red subscribe button that you see in the description area. Hit that subscribe button right now, and after that hit that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one and many more awesome quality videos. And guys, please share this video with your friend who are looking to buy any wireless headphone or any headphones. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.